Welcome to the latest update from SpreadsheetWeb. This month, we're excited to announce several new features and improvements that enhance your web app and API management experience. We've introduced a new simple calculation tab in the API toolkit. This streamlined endpoint allows you to quickly configure inputs and outputs for calculations, perfect for universal API integrations with no-code platforms. No extra events, just fast, straightforward calculations. We now support the new Excel TRIMRANGE Formula, which lets you exclude empty rows and columns from the edges of your data. This means cleaner, more efficient data handling, no more unnecessary blank spaces. Dynamic header and footer text is here. With panel-style sections and containers, you can now dynamically update headers and footers after calculations. Just like dynamic naming for individual controls, it's all about making your app smarter and more personalized. When importing a new DES file into an application with existing databases, you'll now have the option to keep or clear previous saved records. Plus, we've resolved issues with active transactions post-import, ensuring a smoother experience. Customize your form layout with new alignment options for input grids. Whether it's text or numbers, you can choose left, right, or center alignment for better visual control in your form designs. Fixing errors is easier than ever. Our new debugging tools link error messages directly to the problematic control. Simply click on the error, and it takes you right to the issue for quick resolution. As always, thank you for using SpreadsheetWeb. Stay tuned for more exciting features in the future, and happy building!